science activities. Today's activity, Boogie Boogie Raisins. For this experiment, you will need a bottle of soda, a glass and some raisins. As you know, soda is made by mixing carbon dioxide at high pressure and at low temperature in water. This carbon dioxide gas will collect on the uneven surfaces on the raisins. When enough gas has collected, it will actually lift the raisins to the surface, where the gas is then released into the air. With the gas gone now, the raisins will sink back to the bottom, where the process begins anew. This is the reason behind the raisins dance. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. See you next time. Thank you.